All right, first thing you want to do when you clean a squirrel, first thing you're going to do, get a knife. It needs to be sharp. Second, after you get a knife, you need to get a dog. Because when you get a dog, they love squirrel heads.
R.I.P.
Ranger, sit. See what I mean? You're gonna remove the claws. There's a couple different ways to do that. All right, here's how you can do it. You're gonna take your claw, you put your knife on it, and you simply smack this knife, okay? Remove the claw, just like that. You do that with all 4 limbs. Back claw. I'll remove the tail, but that's left up to you. All right, after you got your squirrel like this, de-headed, de-footed, all right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the squirrel. Now, you can dip him in some water too to keep all the hair from going everywhere, but I typically pull the skin up like this, okay, pull a little bit, and then I cut a slit, okay? Let me get a little bit of hair off this knife here. I cut a little slit like this, okay? Just like that. Once you've made your incision, I'm gonna take both of my fingers, put it in that incision, okay? And then I'm gonna pull, just like I'm taking a shirt off, just like that, pulling. Sometimes you got to do a little elbow grease. There you go. All right, once you got him cleaned off and everything like that, or her, or whatever it is, you're gonna take it, and I just go right down the middle, split the rib cage, okay, and come down the gut, the stomach area. I try to lift it up so I don't bust the guts if I can help it. Right down here at the base. All right, I'm going to where the legs are here. There's a joint down in here, like where the legs connect. You're gonna press in, and you'll hear it kind of crack. Let's see. There we go. Okay, once I get that split, I'm gonna cut all this excess stuff off. You can reach in there, okay? You can pull the esophagus, the heart, everything out. Okay? Okay, get all that out. Unless you want to eat all that. But then, there it is. It's all cleaned out. You give it a rinse. Look at that right there. That is the tenderloins right there inside that squirrel. They're small. Also the back straps. You can eat the back straps around that rib cage. The legs are real good. You can make those like chicken wings, all that good stuff. Underneath this arm here is a gland of some kind. I usually try to pull that out. Okay. Thanks for watching. And remember, Jesus loves you. And no matter what you're going through, give your life to Christ if you haven't already. Trust in Him. You can always depend on the Lord.